Do you want to know how you can log into your MF Central mutual fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your MF Central mutual fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Central Mutual Fund Login. You can see that this is the mutual fund of Central. Go ahead and click MF Central. It will take you to this page and you can see sign in on the top right hand corner. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click sign up and you can create an MF Central account for yourself. Go ahead and click sign in for you to sign into your account. Now you can sign in using your PAN or PEKRN number or your OTP. So to write down your PN, go ahead and take out your PAN card and write down the number, or else if you can access your PEKRN, go ahead and take it out and you can write the number at here as well. After that, go ahead and write down your password. After you write down the number and your password, click sign in. This way you can sign into your MF Central account. If you want to access with OTP, write down your PAN card number, click generate OTP. An OTP code will be sent to your phone and then you can write down the OTP code and you can log in using OTP as well. I hope this video about how you can log into your MF Central account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.